Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm going to show you a very unusual mold and I'm really excited to try this one. So I will link the shop in my description if you like to treat yourself. It is really a very unique mold and you haven't seen a mold like this before. So let me open it first. So this is the mold. And now to the next step, and for my next step is that I'm going to show you this machine, and this is Airless Pro by Resiners. So this is their latest machine and I'm going to open it. So actually Resiners are the first one to come out with a machine that was handy for crafters to remove bubbles from their resin. So I know there are bigger pressure pots and you can buy them for bigger use, but for friendly crafter use, this is the perfect machine. So I'm going to open it. Plus, you're going to have a 25% discount for this Black Friday from Amazon. I will link that in my description. So I'm just going to open the box now. So here we go. I'm going to remove the machine out of the box. It has some mixing cups. So actually they have released two of their pressure pots before also. So I will link the videos above here if you want to see them. So this is the new one. It is the Pro. So it is definitely very much bigger than the other two, and I can see the design is totally different. I can see the screen on the top of this one, and plus it is a very lovely black color. This is the chamber pot and this is the top part. It is very smooth and sleek. I'm just loving this black color. And now come the testing part, and I have mixed my resin and I'm going to divide it into 3 cups. So you can easily put 3 cups into the container, and also you can add a big pot also. So I will be using this machine now and we'll be testing out, but this is the first time I'm using the Airless Pro. It is winter and my resin has a lot of bubble. I'm just going to check that how this machine is going to work. So just showing you again, trying to capture it as much as possible. So this is the machine and it has, so here I've opened the machine and now I'm going to put my resin cups. So all 3 are inside the container and now I'm going to put the lid. And now I'm going to plug this in, and it's fairly simple. You just have to plug onto the machine and then to the main switch. And now you can see the blue light and you can see the numbers. They are really big. I'm loving this, and there are 3 settings, 5, 10 and 15. So it's up to you, whatever you like to do. You just had to change the setting from the AI and then simply select the one that you want. And I'm going for the 5-minute, and then I went to the 10 minutes. And you can see the pressure is building now. Very simple to use, but I love the big numbers, so everyone can see easily. And now onto the resin part. And you can hear the sound of the machine also. It is not too noisy, and I'm just showing you and focusing how much the bubbles are there in the resin. In all 3 of these cups. So it's going to be taking 10 minutes. I'm going to speed up the process and you will see how the bubbles are going to rise. And I feel that this machine has a very good grip on the bubbles. It has a more pressure. And the bubbles were coming up really fast. So now I'm going to speed up the process. So this was really satisfying to watch how the bubble have rised. So I did 5 minutes more. So this is after 5 minutes, it's about to finish. And because there were still some bubbles, so I wanted them to be extra clear. So now you're going to see that there are some bubbles here and there that might be not noticeable, but I still wanted them to clear out. So I'm going to show you that the bubbles are still there. And here you can see there were hidden bubbles that are coming up. So this is what I was talking about. And now my resin is going to be very clear. So now I'm going to release the pressure and it is almost done. Onto the project. So this is the mold and I have my resin out into another cup because I'm working on multiple projects at the time. So I'm going to add a hint of black epoxy pigment into the resin. I'm not going to color it too much because I want to see how this mold look like, because it is such a beautiful crystal formation. You're going to see the results that what I'm talking about. So here you can see I've added a little bit of black pigment and I'm very carefully mixing it into the resin. I don't want to introduce more bubbles at this point, so I mixed some black pigment into another resin, so I mixed that. So don't worry, my resin is fully mixed. And now very carefully I'm going to pour this into the mold. Now I'm going to use my heat gun. So at this point I was thinking to add the fantasy film, but then I didn't. So I will leave this to cure. I will see you next day. So this is the next day. I am really excited to see how this turns out. It's time to demold. And here we go, it is out of the mold. This is the mold and now I'm going to show you the result of this dish, and this is how the dish look like. I know I have a blue gloves so you can see the gloves, but look at that crystal formation. Wow, I am loving it. It is one of a kind, amazing. And the resin is crystal clear. It was perfect for this project. So now I'm going to show you how it looks like. I think I'm going to try different things with this. I think I'm going to use a fantasy film also. Perfect. You can see the shine and everything. It is so lovely, beautiful mold. So I will link everything in my description, including the mold and then the Airless Pro. So I think you don't have to miss that because you're going to have a 25% off during this Black Friday sale. So grab your chance. So that is for today, and I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.